Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Parsa. So, maglalaro tayo ng Flood Escape! Yay! So, hamster me. Yes! Hindi marunong. My God, wag kang mag-chat. Okay. So, guys, hintay lang. So, guys, naka-chat lang ako doon. So, you're Wednesday. Oo nga! Yung lalaki kasi. So, guys, yung lalaki. Hindi binuksan yung button. So, gusto mo ako patayin. So, yan. So, tawa dyan. So, long sorry. Long please, God. Yo. So, guys, hintay lang. So, guys, tapos na sila maglaro. So, bilis. Love! Punta! Yes! Sorry, guys. Okay, no Siri. Ha, fine. So, guys, maglalaro na tayo. Yes, I'm not stuck. So guys, kapag kayo naka-stuck, kayo magtatat. Oh my God! My God! Oh, how dare you? Punta tayo. Yes. I need to go. Nina needs to go. Joke lang. So guys, yung story ng sa Disney Junior, yung pinapaloodan yung baby ko namin, yun. Kasi tiin ako at yung bata pa si si Papi. That's why. Kaya naglulot yung baby ko namin kasi yung dati buntis yung mami ko namin kasi yeah, I have a big sister. So guys, nagluluot siya ng Dog Makes Stuffins Toy Hospital. My God, bilis mo dyan! How? Okay. Yes. There you go. Now, support. Rafaela's is support. Yes, I will open this thing. Yes. Nakabuksan ko na. Oh my God, do not climb. There you go. Now I will here. Hey, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kapag sinabi, you're slow, loser. So, that's, hindi ko alam. So, my God, wag ka nga. Ayaw bumuksan na naman. I'm dying. There you go. Gusto mo ako kasi papabuksanin. Hoy! Okay, there you go. Do not push me. Phew. There you go. Yes, magbubuksan na sa... Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm not dying forever. Thank you, God. Thank you. So guys, hindi ko alam, patay na siya! Oh, so sad. Okay, check ko siya. Wait lang. Nasaan na yun? Okay, 3 wins siya. So, sorry, nakababagal na ako din eh. They said, hey, hurry, loser. So, hindi ko alam sinabi nila. Yes. They don't know kasi. How dare you? You stole my thing. How dare you? Yes, nakabuksan na. My God, there you go. Now, oh my God! Full na! So guys, meron ako ng wins. Yay! Kahit mga babae, yun. Okay. So guys, naka-escape na ako. So, 1 wins ako. So guys, wait lang. So guys, patay sila lahat. So, yan. guys, magsistart na agad tayo. Hello there. Sorry. Ha-hide ko na lang. There you go. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. So guys, laro na tayo again. Oh my god. Don't push me. Hindi ko makita. Oh my god, hindi ko makita. Shut up. Oh my god. Do not look down. Oh my god. Please. I'm looking down, so. Oh my god. Yung lalaki. You want to push me, huh? Yes. Guys, last actor. Said I lost. Yay! I'm cheated. Oh my god. I cheated on someone's head. Wait. Her name is Hamster Me. So, she will friend me? I don't know. Wow, she have a cool. Okay. Hamster Me. Wait, did she have roblox? Wait, she don't want to friend me. Friend me. Request sent. Hamster Me. Wait. She don't want to let me. Okay, she don't want to friend me, so I want to hamster. Okay, I will search now. So I will search for her. Hamster Me. Okay, alam ko na. So guys, search ko na lang sa kanya kasi So guys, ito sinasabi ko sa I mean what? So guys, oh my god. Yay! I will get my own. Thank you. Do not push me. Okay, there we go. Now I use that. My god. Okay, joke lang. So guys, ang dami nila. Oh my god. My god, 5 na lang. Never mind. Look my points. No, your wins. How dare you? I'm going to float escape too. Oh, cause she's hard. Cause she's playing hard. Cause that's why. Me too. Okay. I have the. My god. Hamster Me. Okay, I will search. Oh, no, come on, yo. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Now I have wins too. So guys, mag-join na ulit. Please, don't fall. How dare you? No! Oh! My God! Oh! How dare you? Yes, Sim! How dare... Okay. So guys, hope you... Oh my... How did I... Oh my god. Guys, how did I play? Oh my god. I need to float sword. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How did I join the game? How did I join easy? Oh my god. It was the glitch when it's full. Oh my god, how dare you? How dare you? So guys, hindi ko alam kung AFK ako. Oh my god. Hindi ko alam kung AFK ako. Don't push me, Granny. Please, Granny! Ah, Granny! Let's control. Sorry. No one will jump. There we go. Let's shoot the trick. Now, punta tayo dito. Now, here. Funny. Don't push me. My God! Nakakatingkot ko. Okay. Come on, girl. There we go. She's so smart. My God, blonde hair. Blonde hair girls. Blonde hair boys. Blonde hair thing. Yeah, I stepped on him. Haha, too late for that. Hey, it's open. Right there. There you go. So, no ma. Oh my God, please. I need ladder. Okay. So guys, I will go and get that thing. Oh my God. Thing got. So guys, apat na lang kami! Oh my God. How did I die? I want to win the game. Sorry. Hope you like this video. So, bye guys.